beauty, secrets, never say never, let's get it together, T spelled on drag 101.
Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. I am here to reveal something new to you guys. This is a video that's gonna be about my boob collection. So in today's video, I want to feature Elea's closet. If you guys do not know Elea's closet, it is the only jewelry I wear on the red carpet. It is the boobs that I love. All right, guys, real quick snapshot. This is my boobs for Queen Boobs. This is the smaller version. This is the original. Now this one is the latest and newest boobs for Queens ones that I have. They are Velcro though, so I will say the Elea's closet one has snaps that I adore. They are so strong. This is the old double D's that I have, and then they gifted me the new custom color double D's, which I love. They're so much perkier and round. And then these are the jugs. I'm gonna go in depth with all of the details, but I want to let you know I have a very special code for all of you from Elea's closet. There is a discount code PSTARRR, which gives you 20% off Elea's closet. So shop right now on Elea's closet. If you guys want to find out more about my boobs, I will be showing you guys my previous boobs by Boobs for Queens and also Elea's closet. And I have a different variety to show you, and I want to inspire all of my baby drag queens and drag queens out there. It is possible to serve womanhood, female impersonation by an amazing brand like Elea's Closet. So if you guys see these boobs, look at how perky they are. It is giving lifted titties. And guys, I do not have a bra on. This is Elea's Closet as is, no boobs. You see, it's just giving like definition, and I'm like obsessed. Okay, so the first thing that stands out to me by Elea's Closet is the price. Let me grab a cheat sheet. So the breastplates by Elea's Closet are handmade, hand painted from high quality, hyper real fleshlight silicone, and it comes in a variety of sizes. They have a B breastplate, a C breastplate, a D breastplate, a DD cup, a DD breastplate, a RuPaul plate, a G cup breastplate, jugs, and an XXL breastplate. And then they have more skin tones than I remember. So there's fair suntan, light skin mixed, dark chocolate, or you can do a custom color match, which is what I have right now. You guys see, it is giving like a match. If I move fast enough and I match like my body makeup, it matches. And there's also nipple color that is airbrushed. And again, I will say all of these are such a great price. And if you get the B breastplate, it starts at $425. It goes all the way up to $650 at the most. The one that I'm wearing right now is the DD Classic breastplate. If you guys want to see the nipples airbrushed and colored, I will leave a video in the description box below directly to the website, and also to a video by the founder and the owner of the company that shows you the actual areolas. Just for channel's sake and to be friendly on here, I had to cover them with one size stickers, okay? The interesting thing about Elea's Closet and also Boobs for Queens is that Boobs for Queens has a Velcro, and it is sewn in. I won't say it has worn down over time, but it's not as sturdy to me as these snaps. When I tell you these snaps keep you in, there are 3 adjustable snaps where you can snap them in and they go like so. I love how thin this is right here. What's really beautiful about the breastplates by Elea's Closet is that they feel so freaking squishy. Let me show you. Not me holding boobs while I'm wearing boobs. Look at how squishy they are. This one is the DD Classic, and this is the new DD breastplate right here. And I'm about 5'7" and 250 pounds. I've lost a few pounds, guys. Now over here is the jugs by Elea's Closet. I am obsessed with these. They are in a lighter color. I believe this is light skin mixed or fair. I want to say it's fair. I will put these on and I'll show you what they look like. Don't look!
Oh my god!
Oh my gosh. When I first got these, I I was so obsessed. And as you can see, I do wear high-waisted pants, but you can tell the profile that it is giving me and the waist. If you want to be Dolly Parton or if you want to be super sexy, this is your type of drag look. The jugs are it. They are so squishy. When you put them in an outfit, again, I'm not wearing a bra. They're just sitting nice and perky like this. It's just so gorgeous. I'm literally almost contemplating buying jugs in my color just because I am low-key obsessed with how they like look. And they are so lightweight. My face is jiggling more than the boobs. This is fun. With the boobs? That is a good idea, Peter. You guys should see a comparison of someone plus size versus someone petite wearing the double Ds. Because I don't have the smalls or the Bs or the Cs. Okay, Mama Star. You guys know Peter. Hey, it's Peter, but this is Paul, the youngest brother. He joined Team Star and he's been dying to be on the YouTube team. There is the D on Paul, so you could see. So it's really, really big. So if you guys need, like, look, we have like no shape on the bottom. So if you are doing drag, I would recommend like the hourglass shape, but this is what it's giving. And the color match is pretty good. It's pretty seamless and thin, but you can see what it looks like and sits with a shirt. So this is the shape of the jugs versus the double D. Thank you. And the most obvious thing about these boobs is that you have to cover it with a fabric just to make it seamless on your outfit, and also have a beautiful necklace to cover. That way you can serve like the full fishy fantasy. Let me show you guys what the jugs look like with the wig so you guys can get into the whole renaissance. Oh my gosh, you guys, can I just tell you, my video went viral because on TikTok. I mean, who isn't viral on TikTok? I don't know if you guys know, at movie premieres, when I like do the red carpet, I wear my turban. So I literally, when it comes to movies, especially like The Little Mermaid, I have to bring a wig with me because the last thing I want to do is block a little girl's view of Ariel singing Part of Your World
while this big ass man with fabric on his head is blocking the view of the movie screen. So
this is the wig that I wore, literally straight from the Little Mermaid premiere. Just combing this out so you guys can see. You see, this is the thing about being in drag. Like, you see the fantasy when you have the hips, when you have the boobs, when you have like the right jewelry and like the right mug. You start giving the art of drag, which is the art of female impersonation. You know, looking back at like when I first started seeing drag queens in my hometown Orlando, like Roxy Andrews, Chevelle Brooks, and Angelica Sanchez, it's just crazy to see how their classic glamour and drag has inspired me to live my fantasy. So this is literally it. Obviously that it's not the right color, but you can see the illusion that it's giving if it was the right color. I hope that you guys can really get into the art of makeup and the art of boobs. Here's a T2. Again, like if you really think about what it takes to be up in drags, like this wig is so expensive. It was gifted to me by a long time ago. And they quoted me, all of this hair with everything virgin was around $4,000 or $5,000 for a wig like this. And I cut it for the first time from here to like here. And it was just giving stringy and really long. It was giving like 40-inch delusion from Drag Race. Drag can get very expensive when it comes to like the fashion, when it comes to the boobs, when it comes to the jewelry, when it comes to the nails, when it comes to the makeup, when it comes to the hair. The thing I love about Elea's Closet is the price and how fast, and they're a small family private company and I love supporting them. If you go on the Instagram, you will see highlights of me and I think it's like the sweetest thing. I've taken Elea's Closet with me everywhere and the quality that they do is just so amazing and I'm so glad to have known them. This is like my new boob collection. If you guys want to see my old boobs from Boobs for Queens and also how to do your boobs without a breastplate, I've linked that down below. So if you guys want to see more boob videos, more drag transformations, more female impersonations, especially how I do my hair, how I do my makeup, maybe this hair is kind of cute. If you guys want to see it get ready with me, as a woman? Let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out Elea's closet. All the information is down below. I love you guys so much. Don't forget, makeup is a one size fits all. I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.